Bitcoin wobbly amid SEC fiasco. Binance redirected $12 billion to firms controlled by CEO Changpeng Zhao, SEC says. DeFi unfazed by SEC's classification of tokens and securities. Asia sends through crypto space as US trading volume plummets. Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter target of EU over misleading crypto ads. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital asset prices were wobbly today, with Bitcoin's price remaining below $26,500 levels due to ongoing regulatory dictate against two leading exchanges. BNB lost 6% on the day, which is quite expected given the SEC's lawsuit against Binance. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is trading down 1.6% on the day and has been struggling to reclaim coveted $27,000 level. However, having said that, it still recovered from the lows at around $25,300 charted 2 days ago when news broke out that the SEC is suing both Binance and Coinbase. The commission has gone so far as to request a freeze of the asset of Binance US and issue a summon for Changpeng Zhao. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.4% at 37,050 points. Earlier this week, the US Securities and Exchange filed a lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase for allowing trading into unregistered securities. Likelihood of similar action against altcoins mentioned and unmentioned in the lawsuits led to further decline in prices. Meanwhile, according to a recent document by Binance's lawyers, Gary Gensler, the chair of the SEC, reportedly offered to advise the cryptocurrency exchange Binance in 2019. SEC has hit back by claiming that Binance redirected $12 billion to firms controlled by CEO CZ. Additionally, trading volumes on centralized exchanges fell to their lowest levels in more than 4 years amid growing regulatory pressure from United States regulators, reports said. In an effort to calm investor nerves, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong said that the crypto exchange Coinbase will continue to operate crypto staking service despite facing lawsuits from federal regulators over the program and several of its other offerings. In a separate development, Aave protocol introduced GHO, a native stablecoin on Ethereum that enables users to issue tokens using collateral, unlocking new financial opportunities. The Aave DAO treasury earns GHO loan interest, providing an additional income stream for future expansion and investment, analysts said. In an interesting news, Ethereum Layer 2 solution Optimism has finally deployed its long-awaited Bedrock upgrade, providing several improvements across the network. It is anticipated that the upgrade will significantly lower transaction fees, increase network security, and improve compatibility with Ethereum, bringing Optimism one step closer to its goal of being a super chain. However, SEC fallout led BNB, the Binance Smart Chain's native token, 7.6% lower, while Cardano's ADA, Polygon's Matic, and Solana's Sol, all top 10 tokens by market capitalization mentioned in the SEC filing, nosedived between 6% and 9%. US stock futures were trading flat as investors awaited the next market catalyst and digested the recent rally in stocks. Futures linked to the S&P 500 ticked higher by 0.01%, while Nasdaq 100 futures inched down by 0.01%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 2 points. Bitcoin was trading at $26,463, down 0.6%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.8%, trading at $1,844. On my left, BNB was down by 3.8% to trade at $262. Next on the list is Solana Sol. It was down 5.6% and was trading at $18.7. Talking about Cardano's ADA token, it was down by 3.2% to trade at $0.32. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.9, lower 3.3%. And Polygon Matic was trading down by 1.8% to trade at $0.77. Shiba Inu was also trading down by 0.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.52, down by 1.4%. Next on the list, Polkadot, which was down by 2% to trade at $5. However, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.2% at $0.068.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The Securities and Exchange Commission said in a recent court document that Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao and Guoying Helena Chen acquired billions of dollars in client cash through their holding firm. According to the SEC, the monies were transferred to entities controlled by Zhao through an intermediate holding company known as Key Vision Development Limited. The proof for these claims comes from testimony given by Sachin Verma, an SEC accountant, which will be used as part of the regulator's arguments in asking the court to issue a temporary restraining order freezing Binance asset US. The SEC has been unable to determine why a Zhao-controlled entity that was purportedly trading on the Binance US platform using Zhao's personal funds would have acted as a pass-through accounts for billions of dollars of Binance platform's customer funds, the court filing reads. Despite the continuous controversy, the value logged on decentralized finance applications functioning on the blockchain of tokens purported to be securities in recent SEC filings remained mainly steady. Despite declining prices, the lack of abrupt capital flight implies that global market participants are optimistic. On Wednesday, the BNB currency plummeted to 6-month lows, while the prices of Solana's SOL, Cardano's ADA, Polygon's Matic, and other tokens also declined. The SEC charged Binance and Coinbase with selling unlicensed securities in the country in separate filing on Monday and Tuesday. The accusations were brought despite the regulator's lack of clarity on whether crypto tokens can be considered securities. The SEC has not issued any official legal definitions to token issuers and has yet to reply to Coinbase's demand for explicit regulation definitions. DeFi applications have remained unaffected, with the value of assets logged on Cardano, Solana, and BNB chain networks plummeting 5% in the last week. Crypto Banter, a prominent crypto influencer, has shed light on the negative impacts of the country's growing regulatory environment for the country's largest crypto investors. He revealed the frightening truth that the previous year's 27.2% crypto trading volume in America has dropped to just 10.3% this year as a result of the US regulator's harsh limitations. Furthermore, the analyst painted a clear image of Asian countries' efforts to support the growth of the crypto business, particularly in the Chinese city of Hong Kong, while America chokes the space. He noted that whereas the percentage of crypto commerce in America fell dramatically, Asia saw a significant growth. Despite China's anti-crypto policies, Hong Kong has adopted a different strategy, embracing crypto-friendly regulations and seeking to be a full-fledged crypto metropolis. While Hong Kong made the initial move to develop retail crypto commerce, the Beijing authorities lent a helping hand to the city's goal. After European consumer group BEUC protested to the European Commission and consumer authorities that the internet platforms allegedly encouraged the false promotion of crypto assets, Meta platforms Instagram, Alphabet's YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter could face regulatory action. Concerns about consumer protection in relation to crypto assets such as Bitcoin and Ether have been raised by US regulators suing crypto companies Coinbase and Binance, as well as the collapse of FTX last year. Last month, the European Union approved the world's first complete set of guidelines for crypto asset regulation. According to the BEUC's complaint, which was submitted on Thursday, the proliferation of deceptive marketing for crypto assets on social media platforms is an unfair business practice because it exposes consumers to serious harm such as the loss of significant amount of money. It was stated that this was accomplished through advertising and influencers. It encouraged the Consumer Protection Cooperation Network to compel online platforms to implement tougher crypto advertising regulations and take steps to prevent influencers from misleading customers. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get update of buzzing stocks of the day.
Aave, the decentralized finance behemoth, has announced intentions to launch a GHO, a new over-collateralized stablecoin. The DAO has approved the launch of a stablecoin. Aave firms made this news via Twitter on Thursday, tweeting about the GHO. Aave is a centralized entity that provides Aave protocol support. According to this information available and the statement made on Thursday, GHO will be an Ethereum-based stablecoin. It will be a decentralized stablecoin whose value will be directly proportional to the value of the US dollar. If the user so desires, it can also be collateralized with other assets. To obtain GHO, users must mint it, and in order to mint it, they must deposit some collateral. While the decision and the list of the approved collateral are yet to be finalized, many details are still needed. It is highlighted that the complete interest payments received by GHO miners will be directly shifted to Aave DAO treasury. Generally, this payment is transferred to the standard reserve factor that is collected when users borrow other assets. Aave was trading at $59.02, down 3.40% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $856 million. Aptos recently provided further details to its community members regarding its partnership with MasterCard. Aptos emphasized its primary role in advancing payment system. Additionally, Aptos also revealed its plans to create a MasterCard crypto credential, which is an innovative on-chain identity and verification framework. This framework will be available and facilitate the development of various applications in this field of non-fungible tokens, payments, ticketing, and more on Aptos network. Furthermore, Aptos' objective is to support the evolution of these sectors within the crypto industry. The community has announced that Aptos will initiate the program, and Aptos Labs will take on pivotal role in constructing innovative trust, security, identity, and verification tools. APT was trading at $7.70, down 5.30% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion. The focus in the meme coin world is on Doge Miyagi, a meme coin pre-sale that is about decentralization. Doge Miyagi intends to boost the value of its tokens by burning them in 5 stages, similar to Litecoin. Each burning stage pays homage to the film's official US release dates. In addition, prior to the token launch, a considerable amount of Miyagi tokens will be burned to commence Mr. Miyagi's death at the age of 86 and 5 months. This technique not only adds value to the tokens, but it also strengthens the Karate Kid fan group, cultivating trust and building a solid investment base. With increased functionality and a decentralized ethos, Doge Miyagi seeks to offer a unique investment opportunity that blends humor and potential returns.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.